Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is on Linfo.ai. This promises to be the best summarizer. It has key insights and offers a mind map for your content. Well, what are the features? Well, it gives summaries for papers, YouTube, and PDFs. It can also convert them to mind maps, helps make sense of the lengthy data. And another nice feature, it can also provide a reference or a source for your information, one which you may have in your document. And of course, like we mentioned, a mind map organization. It's a wonderful feature and we're going to go right ahead to have a look at it. And down here, you have the different packages, the Linfo Basic, the Linfo Plus, and the Linfo Pro. With the different features, of course, as usual, we can explore all these options, but for this tutorial, we're going to try to show you what it can do with the free version. So let's go right ahead and register. But before that, it's nice to mention that this actually also comes with a Chrome extension, so you could have that extension. So we're going to go ahead and install the extension and log in. Now, of course, we're going to add this to Chrome. And after clicking get started, again, we can see the different pricing options, the free, which is the Linfo Basic, the Linfo Plus, and the Linfo Pro. And we're going to try to get started with the Linfo Basic. Of course, we're going to use our Google to sign in. And now we're in, as you can see here. And when we scroll down, it has this nice feature where you get to invite friends and get the Linfo Plus for free. Well, the condition is if you invite your friends and they actually use your referral link, you can actually get Linfo Plus for 1 week. So the more friends you invite, the more you can earn the weeks. And when we come down here, we have the frequently asked questions. And you might be wondering what type of content does LinfoAI support? And we're going to open that. And it says it seamlessly digests articles, PDFs, and supports most YouTube videos. So we're going to try to see how these features match what they're saying. Now, while we're just logged in, we would like to mention that it's important to configure the web extension. So you're going to go to your menu at the top right corner of your browser where you have your extensions and you can see the LinfoAI. You're going to click on the 3 dots there. You're going to click on it and you want to manage the extension. So when you click on manage the extension, you have to scroll down here and you want to give it access to your URLs. This helps you to easily work with the LinfoAI integration with whatever website you may be. So I'm going to activate this right now. And now we can see that it's activated and we're going to try to go ahead and see how it incorporates with other websites. So as you can see, we have this set up already. The extension looks good. And we're going to look for an example of an online website, maybe a document that we would like to have. And we're going to go to the Apple support page. And of course, now we can see the Apple support page for the iPhone. It's in the iPhone user guide. And of course, it has the table of content. Then at the right here, you could see page insights. You also have the option to save the page. So we're interested in seeing the page insights. So let's go ahead and try that. And now we've seen the sidebar on the right has just popped open and we can see some of the summary or some of the insights that Linfo.ai is providing. It says this is an iPhone user guide, Apple support. And of course, this is what the page says. And this is some information here about what this whole document is, just giving you an idea of what this document is all about. And down here, we have the option to regenerate this information. So we're going to try to regenerate it. And then you could see that here it provides some more information that we could expand. Before it had fewer information, but now it has more. So that's what the regenerate does for us. And we could decide to expand all of this, or we could expand it one by one. So we're going to explore the first, not the first, but we're going to explore one of these features here, which is the iOS 17 compatibility. So we're going to click open that. And we can see that from this document, The LinfoAI extracts all the information and it kind of makes it into little topics, right? So you have the key features, the Apple support, iPhone ecosystem, iPad ecosystem, Apple devices. But now we just open the iOS 17 compatibility. It actually helps us to see what iPhone products or versions or models are actually compatible with iOS 17. So anyone before the 8 or the 7 is not compatible with iOS 17. And we could just see that here without having the need to scroll down through this page. I'm going to minimize that. And we're going to also look at the key features, right? So we're going to click open this. And we can see setup basics, personalize your iPhone, take great photos and videos. So basically this makes the document more comprehensive or more concise. It makes it easier for you to understand, and it truly has given you insights. And then at the top here, you have some other buttons here that can do stuff for you. The first one here is to copy the link or to download this sidebar information. And then you also have the option to change the language. As you can see, it has quite a number of languages here. And then we also have a hamburger menu. This hamburger menu, you can give feedback and do some other things. You could also log out if you want to. And then you could also, of course, close this sidebar. And now we're going to be showing you how this actually can work with your YouTube. So we're going to go to a video on YouTube and see how Linfo.ai works. So yes, we're here, the best animal fights, as you can see, and this is a BBC documentary, but we're not interested in that. We're interested in what the LinfoAI can do. So of course, as always, you have it here on the middle right of the screen. As you can see, it has video insights. So we're going to click on that and see what it can show to us. And that's amazing. It has a snapshot. It gives you the name of the video and some overview about what this video is all about. And this is beautiful insight. It gives you the times and what you're going to see in each of these times for this video. Now on YouTube has this feature but it's not on all videos. Well, with Linfo.ai, you can actually have this for all videos. So if I'm interested in seeing the polar bear confront walrus herd, I'm just going to go to 1332 in the timeline, right? Or if I want to see how cheetahs hunt in a pack, I'm going to go to the 24th minute and 7 seconds. That's awesome. And of course, we've shown you before that you can regenerate this, but this looks really, really awesome. And it helps you to easily see the content of a video just by the first scene of this video using Linfo.ai. So as you can see, this is a wonderful AI tool we could use as a beautiful assistant. You have to log in, add it to your browser, and make great use of it. So go ahead and try it out and see how you can increase your productivity and save your time.